Let's see. Okay, well, I went ahead and cut this nose off, and I'm gonna go ahead and put a new nose. Oh, dropping everything. Okay, I'm gonna put a new nose on there. If you can see that way, the nose is already drilled out and everything's just dandy in there. I need to set it a little bit higher, so I made this piece of clay right here. It's gonna sit just like that. I need to glue that on there, and then this is going to sit right on top of there, just like that. So basically, gonna be a new nose on there. All right, let's see. First, let me glue the clay on. Did this yesterday, prepping it. Now, go ahead and spray this on there. This stuff sets really, really fast. Golly. Okay. Man, that sets fast. See a turkey I was working on the other day. All right. Feel that's warm from that glue setting. All right. Well, let's see. It's slick. Okay. Now, put this away. Let the lid go. Roll off. Anyways, there it is. I like to use this Loctite super glue. That works pretty well. And then I have this accelerator for super glue stuff, for foam and most plastics. It just activates or accelerates the glue drying, so it dries pretty much instantly. So yeah, I like to use that. Okay, so that is now on there. I need a rasp, and I'm going to got my light there, just trying to give me a little bit, my video light, trying to get more light over here so there's no shadows on it, so you can see it a little better. So alright, now let's see, then when we go in and we're gonna do this nose here, I'm gonna smooth it out with some clay just before I mount it. And okay, we're fixing to do the eyes here, so let's see. Alright, here's the eyes. pupils go sideways. Let's see if I get in front of this light. I can show them. Yeah, see, there we go. Alright, so these are gonna sit in here about like that. And like that. Alright, so what I'm going to do, these are concave like this. I'm going to go ahead and get my glue, turn this on its side like this. Get my glue. Alright. This is the one I was using. And I don't know if you can see that. It's a little better. Alright. Now, I'm just gonna put glue right along the edge of this thing. Okay. You can see, I don't know if you can see that deer, but the pupil is running horizontal like that, so that's what we want to do on this one here. And you gotta be fast on this. Otherwise it'll set up too fast and you'll get it in there right. Okay, that one is done. In. Now we gotta, if you look on it, at it straight on, see that eye is in there, that nose is starting to look good. Now we got this second eye. Now that that accelerator's on there, it's gonna make that eye set in there real good. Alright, now I can raise this up. There we go. Now, both eyes are set. I'll put these up. That high. Or if we want to just go ahead, gotta do this mouth. Okay. Get my little Dremel tool. I need to change out the head on it. Actually, sorry, it's a mess back here. That's how a shop is sometimes. Got my assortment kit here. Find a drill bit. It's gonna work for this. All right. All right. Wrench in here. Okay, maybe there's a different insert I gotta put in here. Okay. Okay. All right. Okay, Dremel part done. All right. Now there is the nose put on and the eyes put in. Then I'm gonna have to work on the ears when I put them in, when I put the hide on. So that's part 2. The end of prepping this form until I mount it. So there you go. Hopefully that was helpful for anybody who is wanting to know how to put eyes in, maybe a replacement nose. Sometimes you won't have to do this. Normally you won't have to clay this underneath here to fur it up a little bit, but this one I cut a little bit too low. So, all right, well, there it is. Okay, here's this deer. It's been prepped. The last thing I need to do for this form prep video is to rough up this form. So all these smooth parts need to be roughed up. So I've got 2 roughers right here. I've got this one here. Got this one from Matuska, I believe, and then this one from the stout rougher from Mackenzie's, I believe. So yeah, what you're basically gonna do is go ahead and just do like this, just scrape it up. That way everything sticks real good. Make sure to get all in between all this muscle stuff here. Okay, there we go. That is now done. Okay. Put those back. There it is, all finished and ready to start my clay work and then ultimately mount. So I'm gonna wipe all this excess foam stuff off so that the glue sticks well. Okay, there we go.